We're back here with B&B with AI, taking a look at the profit calculator. It's not so much about how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. So in order to do that effectively, and I recommend doing that year after year, is to create your first calculation using the profit loss calculator. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to type in, July 2025 sample, the projection year. It's going to be 2025. The target number of events each year, I don't know, let's say we're just going to start off with 20. And our average fee is going to be $2,000. So that's a projected speaking revenue of $40,000. But we know if we just were doing speaking, we wouldn't be able to make a living probably off of $40,000. We need to find more ways to make money. So maybe that's either through consulting revenue, maybe that's through book sales, maybe that's if you have a course that you offer online, that's another revenue source. Let's pretend you do coaching for your clients, or maybe you participate in affiliate programs to where if you help sell them, you might receive revenue from that. And there's also revenue sources custom you can put in here. Let's say you are a pickleball coach and you make $2,000 a month. Just for fun, right? Okay, so travel expenses we have right here. Let's say that your travel expenses, probably one of your higher costs when you are a professional speaker. We'll just put that at $10,000. We'll say $2,000 in marketing expenses. Let's say you're going to invest in B&B with AI and other programs, comes up to 1,000. So right here we have our projected summary. So right here we can see that based upon our inputs, we're making $64,000 for this year 2025. 40,000 comes from speaking fees and 24,000 comes from pickleball coaching. We have our travel expenses, marketing, training, and anything else we might put in here. For this example was $13,000. That gives us a net profit of $51,000 and a profit margin of 79.7%. Is that good? Is that bad? Time to schedule a meeting with Lois Kramer to figure out what's going to work best for when you book more business.